Welcome back, everybody. Do you have bat wings, a turkey chin, or maybe saddlebags and love handles? If you have a problem area that just won't go away, no matter how hard you try, there's a solution that can have you falling in love with your body again. Please welcome board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Chris Livingston from Medical Spas of Midtown. Also joining us are his patients, Brenda and Brittany. Hi there. Okay, so I think a lot of us, we hear lipo, we go back to that first form of lipo that could get the job done, but sometimes made the skin seem lumpy and stuff. How is this different? Well,
let's talk about traditional liposuction. This cannula is the traditional technique. The tip of this doesn't really distinguish between fat cells, blood vessels, nerves, soft tissue, and so mechanically and through negative suction, the fat is removed.
Yeah, which a lot of times the recovery process meant that was even longer.
Absolutely. The recovery time is longer, the bruising is greater, swelling, pain, etc. So
that was then.
That was
then.
Now. This cannula is ultrasonic probe or instrument, and the very tip of it heats through ultrasonic energy and actually melts the fat, lyses the fat, so that it's easily to remove through a smaller cannula that's about 2 millimeters in size. So
the thing that's great about this, too, is that no matter how much we exercise, you can't spot reduce certain areas.
Correct.
And there's all kinds of different technologies out there today, lasers and things that can reduce some inches, but if you want immediate impact and localized like this, this is a great one to use.
Absolutely. For small areas, and I must stress that this is not a weight reduction surgery. This is for individuals that eat right and exercise and have areas that are persistent. It really is revolutionary.
Yeah, you can contour.
Correct, absolutely. That's why the procedure is called Lipocontour.
Contour, that's right. Okay, let's talk to Brenda and Brittany. And so, Brenda, what was the issue that you were dealing with?
Well, I'm genetically predisposed to some saddlebags, and after 2 babies...
Is it your mom's fault or your dad's fault?
It's all my mom's fault. All my mom's fault. And after having 2 babies, the tummy was really... I could have done 1,000 crunches a day, and it wasn't going to change the way I looked. After I went to Dr. Livingston, I had immediate results that I could actually see some definition in places of my body that I hadn't seen definition in quite a few years.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Stand up for us, because I want to see, because your tummy is flat. Look at that.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, and in this area, I'm actually, if it was a little warmer day, there's actually definition. It removed the things that were covering up the muscles.
Yeah. In fact, she said to me earlier, if it was a little bit warmer day, she would have had the thong bathing suit on. But yeah, because that was the whole thing that you had an issue with was the saddlebags.
Right.
And the thing that I noticed on her tummy there is that it was so smooth, whereas the old form of lipo, again, could make it look lumpy.
And I was going to mention that with the smaller cannulas and with the ultrasonic energy, the chances of irregularities and contour deformities is much less.
Okay. And Brittany, what was the issues that you were dealing with?
I was, after the, second baby in my 30s, just from here to here, I couldn't get the little bits and pieces of my old body back, and like she said, it was covering the definition that I knew was hiding there somewhere, and I just, had tried every possible thing that I could. I'd done every diet and everything that I could to try and lose that last little bit of baby weight, and it just wasn't coming off, and I just wanted to be back in shape again.
All right, so stand up and show us the areas again. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah.
I had my inner and outer thighs, and then I had all of my belly and a little bit back here.
Yeah.
So it's kind of
shaped.
Yeah, reshaped giving me back my little curves and my old high school and college legs.
Look, she's all hey. Okay, and the cool thing about this too is that you're not going under. You can actually have a conversation with them while you're doing this.
Right, correct, and it's done under local anesthesia. And if you've ever had a tooth pulled, it's kind of a similar type of anesthesia. You come in to surgery and you walk out the same day, and you can usually go back to work within 2 to 3 days, if not sooner. And the pain is not as great as you would anticipate for the amount of work that I'm doing.
Yeah, and you can do this in so many different areas. We're seeing some pictures here of how, whether it's taken out under a chin, in the arms. A lot of people would have that, when you're waving your hand, your arm is waving along with them, right? So just any area that you want to sculpt, as we said, contour and sculpt. This is pretty cool.
The arms, the abdomen, the inner and outer thighs, the neck is fantastic.
And when you mentioned that this is not a weight loss loss situation. But the key is, if you're removing even a pound of fat on one little area, that's a lot of fat.
Correct.
That can really change the shape.
I think that if I could say, I think that Brenda had about 3 liters removed, and Brittany had about 1,500. So that's
Now, is this permanently gone?
permanently gone. Correct.
My procedure was a year and a half ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
It's been almost 2 years for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
But they do the right thing. They diet and exercise, and I think that's very important for a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah. Okay. The other thing that you do is, besides this particular procedure, it's just about anything that you think you have a problem with aesthetically, you can address. Talk about some of the other services that you have.
Well, I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, so I do any of the procedures that you're familiar with, Botox and fillers. I know in today's economy, some of those procedures can get expensive. So the Botox and the soft tissue fillers are something that's not that expensive, that can be immediate.
Yeah, and you said board certified. Explain what that means to people as well.
In order to become board certified, you have to finish a residency in plastic surgery, and you have to take a series of tests that enable you to be board certified. And I think that is very important in today's economy. There are a lot of other physicians that are starting to do things that are maybe outside of their specialty, and that makes me nervous, and should make you nervous as well.
Okay. Well, thank you very, very much. Thank you, ladies. And I can't help but point out, the entire time he's talking to me, he kept glancing at the bra fat back here. And I just, you are welcome to use that thing anytime you want to. Okay, medical spas.
Can we do it live on the show?
You can do it live on the show. That's right. Load me up right now. Okay, medical spas. You might need something bigger than that, though. All right, Medical Spas of Midtown is offering a great deal on the Lipocontour procedure. If you call this month and you mention that you saw it on Great Day Houston, you'll get a free consultation plus a $1,000 discount if you have the procedure done. So you can reach them at 281-598-7000, 281-598-7000, or on the web at medicalspasofmidtown.com. Up next, laissez la bonne thym rouler. I don't know what I just said, but I think it's let the good times roll with great coffee and king cakes next.
Do you have a favorite room in your house that could use a facelift? Maybe it's a dining room, family room, or den. Tell us your home story, and you could win a fabulous furniture package from Ashley Furniture Home Store valued up to $10,000. HGTV's design star Tori Halbert will select the furniture and add finishing touches to turn your old room from dull and boring to positively divine. To enter, visit any participating Ashley Furniture Home Store now through October 1st, 2010. Winners will be chosen monthly, and if selected, your room makeover will be featured on Great Day Houston. You must be 18 years or older to win. For official rules, stop by any participating Ashley Furniture Home Store or send a self-addressed stamped envelope to Ashley Furniture Home Story's Rules Request. In care of Great Day Houston, 1945 Allen Parkway, Houston, Texas, 77019.